y'all, it's been a while, but I'm doing a grocery haul. So I wanted to quickly show y'all what we got from Walmart. And it's a bunch of random stuff, but we needed it. So I'm gonna spin y'all around and show y'all everything. Okay, y'all, we are gonna start out over here. I got some salt pork that I'm planning on making beans the way my mom always used to make them, and she always used salt pork. We needed some Velveeta sliced cheese, that's our favorite. And my husband requested these dude wipes to use when he's out in the truck. We got some cuties, which are the mandarin oranges, lettuce, we got 4 Roma tomatoes, and a cucumber. And y'all be on the lookout, I'm going to be doing a video using this garlic butter soon. I got some of these lemon flavored powdered donuts. I really like these. Bryce requested these double cheese snapped Cheez-Its. We also got a loaf of butter bread. This is our favorite bread to get. I got a package of hamburger buns for an upcoming meal. And I got 2 packages of these Hawaiian rolls, the 12-pack. So y'all be on the lookout for something I found there. We got a package of butterfly shrimp and some Arby's seasoned curly fries. These are so good. Over here I have some sugar. I got some of the mini wheat cereal because I really like those, and Bryce requested the mini wheat cinnamon roll cereal because he really likes those. I have an orange. I'm going to do something with this. I'll have it in a video soon too. Courtney needed some more shampoo, so she got this keratin smoothing oil shampoo. She seems to like this OGK brand. Adrian's favorite, which is honey buns, and some candy that the 2 of them, I guess, picked out. We got a box of sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits and bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits. Courtney grabbed some Slim Jim 24-pack, or no, 26-pack. And I've never bought onion rings at home, so I bought this Red Robin one. We also bought some Great Value Italian meatballs. I've never made these, but I'm going to make a recipe. You'll be on the lookout for that. I'm saying that a lot, aren't I? Also, I think tonight we are going to be having sandwiches. So I have some smoked, mesquite smoked turkey breast and some Black Forest ham. This is my husband's favorite. Our AC is not working, so we have to fix it. Mozzarella cheese shredded and Parmesan cheese shredded. And I bought some casserole pinto beans. I really like these. I also bought some of the New York 5 cheese Texas toast and then the Great Value garlic Texas toast. Courtney wanted this strawberry lemonade sparkling ice. And then I like to have these Idahoan potatoes that you just microwave. I like to have those on hand. So I got 2 of the buttery homestyle. They're really good. And 2 loaded baked potato and 1 roasted garlic. Y'all, these are my weakness. The cheddar jalapeno Cheetos. I love these. I could probably eat this whole bag if I would sit down and let myself. And if you've never had these knoppers, I think I'm saying that right, they're really good. They're like a wafer with hazelnut in them. Really good. Courtney wanted this flaming hot mac and cheese, the Cheetos kind. And she wanted to try this white cran strawberry juice. Then really quickly, I'll show you the other stuff we got. We got some toilet paper. We got the 18 count, which equals 72 in toilet paper math. And a 40-pack of just water. I also bought a case of Pepsi because Bryce is in band, and every year they always all bring like 2 12-packs of assorted sodas, and it was just cheaper to buy a case that way. So I got him some Pepsi because he loves Pepsi. And yeah, so that's the grocery haul. Okay, y'all, the next part of the video, I want to share with y'all this meat slicer that was sent to me by the company CRANDDI. And this is something that actually my husband has been wanting for a while. So when they asked me if I wanted to review this, I was like, sure, let's do this. So with the CRANDDI meat slicer, you can take your preparation time from 30 minutes down to 3 minutes. The deli food slicer is fitted with a superior 7.5-inch blade that delivers precise cuts. Its blade is made from stainless steel, which is long-lasting and efficient. Also, electric food slicer can be used in a variety of foods such as slicing meat, deli ham, beef jerky, cheese, bread, vegetables, and fruit. You can see here we are slicing up some smoked sausage. For the meal that we're making tonight, this is something that my husband makes occasionally when we're wanting to make something quick and easy and the kids always like it. He will slice up some smoked sausage. So today we figured, hey, let's use this, and all of the pieces of the smoked sausage were the same size. You don't have to worry about some being too thick and some being too thin. He set this up. You can change the setting on how thick or thin you want it to be. And I cannot remember, it might have been a 1/4 inch thick that he did these. I really can't remember now. But it's so easy to use. And you can see here as he's slicing it, it just comes out the back. We had a plate setting there and it was catching all of those pieces. Really quickly, I want to show y'all, let me get it to focus. This cheese is from Mexico, from the Mennonites make this in Mexico from Cuauhtemoc. Anyways, my mother-in-law brought this back to us, so my husband's going to slice it up. Y'all, this thing right here is going to come in handy for this cheese. We love to slice this up, especially for FOSPA, which is a Mennonite meal that we do. And this right here will surely help me out because I'm not good at slicing the cheese. So y'all, look at that. Perfectly sliced cheese, smoked sausage. Man, imagine what this would do, sorry, with ham. But look, you just flip it up. Easy to take apart, really cool looking. And y'all, we just took all that smoked sausage and put it in here. My husband put it in with a little butter and he's gonna kind of fry it up. We're gonna make some macaroni and cheese, and then that's just an easy meal to go to like on a Saturday when you don't wanna make a bunch of food, but you gotta eat and you don't wanna go out to eat, so it's easy. So yeah. Y'all look, my husband's cooking up a storm over here. I'd like to show his face, but he would get mad at me. I'm showing his arm, look. Just your hand. Yeah.